call you Pray It Out. Remember I told you your skin was your biggest organ? And when I put cream on my feet and my legs after a shower, I'll go womp, womp, womp. It'll take me 1 second. But when I go and have a pedicure, they're rubbing my legs for like 5-10 minutes. And does it feel good? Does it feel good? Oh, yeah. There's no reason we can't rub our own legs for more than a womp, womp.
It's not the same.
It is the same. Also, our skin is 15% of our body weight, and it covers all kinds of things. It does such good things for us. It releases sweat. It helps us synthesize vitamin D, and that's why, especially in Syracuse, it's important to get outside. Wear some sunscreen, put on a hat, but what's important is what we eat. Dark, leafy greens, spinach, kale, berries, salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, probiotics, yogurts. All those things are important for our skin. Exercise, sleep, again, and moisturizers. I just think putting on face cream is morning and night. Morning and night. Now, some people are addicted to hand cream. You ever see those? I call them hand cream women. They're in their purse every 5 minutes going, womp. But feel their hands, man. They're pretty darn soft. You want soft? Put on some hand cream, okay? Also, our skin will change over time. Do we have acne now? I never had acne. I had that Irish skin in high school, never had trouble. But a lot of you out there be going, I wish I did. But your skin's not as oily as you age as it was. All right, I put in a few recipes here, and we talked about lentils, everyone. And this is easy. It's a 1-pot lentil dish. If you still are out there going, I don't know what a lentil is, you go to Wegmans and you find a pimply-faced teenage boy and you say, what is a lentil? And he knows, believe me, he'll take you over to the lentils. There's brown rice, carrots, and it's very good. Look at 290 calories, 15 grams of protein. And now the sodium is 540 milligrams, but if you get reduced sodium onion soup mix, it'll be less. The best lentil salad ever. Again, you can modify this if you like, this kind of cheese over that kind of cheese. But there's people out there that go home and recycle their packets. They never make a recipe. They never try anything out of the box. I really think you need to do that. Spicy chicken chili recipe. Now, someone brought this in, and she goes, Ellen, this might be healthy soup. 19 grams of protein for the whole can. It's called Simply Campbell's. That sounds kind of good, right? 19 grams of protein, whole can. The calories in the whole can, 220. Well, that's not bad for a meal. The whole can has 1,460 milligrams of sodium. And remember last week I told you we should be having 1,500 to 2,000 tops. So if you have this for one meal and have lettuce leaves for the other and an apple for the other, you'll be okay. But you can't have sodium, sodium, sodium. So always watch that. So this is the spicy chicken chili recipe. Looks really, really good. And I'm going to stop right there, Bobby, and play the song.